Hi all, in this video I will be discussing Taylor series and Maclaurin series of a complex valued function along with some few problems. A series representation of the form f of z equal to f of a plus f dash of a into z minus a plus f double dash of a divided by 2 factorial into z minus a whole square plus etc. is called a Taylor series of the function f of z about the point z equal to a. In this expansion, we have the terms expressed in positive powers of z minus a. Now, if you are replacing a as 0, that is, if you are taking the expansion about the point z equal to 0, then we get a series of the form f of z equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 into z plus f double dash of 0 into z square by 2 factorial plus etc., which is called the Maclaurin series about the origin. Now let us discuss some few important formulas which will be helpful for us to solve the problems. Sin z is z minus z cube by 3 factorial plus z raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus z raised to 7 by 7 factorial plus etc. Cos z is 1 minus z square by 2 factorial plus z raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus z raised to 6 by 6 factorial plus etc. We have all the even powers and make sure that we have alternate signs in this expansion. E raised to z is 1 plus z square plus z square by 2 factorial plus z cube by 3 factorial plus etc. Log of 1 plus z is so. And these are the binomial expansions which we may have to learn throughout this chapter so that it is easy for us to expand making use of these binomial expansions. So 1 plus z raised to minus 1 is 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube plus z raised to 4 minus etc., which is valid in this region. This expansion is valid only in this region, mod z less than 1. 1 minus z raised to minus 1 will be 1 plus z square plus z cube plus z raised to 4 plus etc., which is also valid in the region mod z less than 1. 1 plus z raised to minus 2 is 1 minus 2z plus 3z square minus 4z cube plus etc., which is valid in the region mod z less than 1. 1 minus z raised to minus 2 is 1 plus 2z plus 3z square plus etc., which is valid in the region mod z less than 1. And these expansions are really helpful for us while we are expanding in terms of Lorentz series or Taylor series, which I will be discussing in my next video. Now let us discuss some few problems. Find the Taylor series expansion of f of z equal to 1 by z square about the point z equal to 2. We have to expand this function about this point, that is, the expansion contains term of the form z minus 2. Now I have rewritten the given function f of z 1 by z square as 1 by z minus 2 plus 2, that is adding and subtracting 2 to the denominator because we need the expansion in terms of z minus 2. So I have subtracted 2 and I have added 2 to the denominator. So you get an expression in this form. Now in order to make use of the expansion which we have studied, 1 plus x raised to minus 2. In order to use this expansion, what we are going to do is we are just fixing this z minus 2 because we need all the expansion in terms of z minus 2. I am taking 2 as common factor. So when you take 2 as common factor, since we have the power as 2, so it becomes 2 square. And after taking the common factor and bringing this term to the numerator, you will be left out with this expression. Now you can make use of the expansion 1 plus x raised to minus 2, which is 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus etc., to expand this particular series. Now after expanding and then opening the brackets, you will be left out with this expression. Now this is the Taylor series expansion which contains terms like z minus 2. Now let us proceed with another problem. Find the Taylor series of sin z by z minus pi about the point z minus pi. See, here we have to expand the series in terms of z minus pi, because we have the point as z equal to pi. So make sure your terms must contain z minus pi. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to manipulate the given function by adding and subtracting pi. So we get z minus pi plus pi. Make sure z minus pi is always grouped together, because we need the terms containing z minus pi. Now make use of this identity. Sine of pi plus theta is minus sine theta. So sine of pi plus z minus pi will be minus sine z minus pi divided by z minus pi. Since we have already a term containing z minus pi in the denominator, there is no expansion needed for this denominator. We just keep it aside. After keeping it aside, we are going to expand sine of z minus pi further, making use of the identity sin z equal to z minus z cube by 3 factorial plus z raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus z raised to 7 by 7 factorial, etc., where instead of z we have z minus pi. After expanding, we get this series, and then after opening the brackets, you will be left out with this expansion. Now this is the expansion of the given function, which is a Taylor series expansion about the point z equal to pi. If you may observe, all the terms contains the powers of z minus pi. Now let us proceed with another problem. Find the Taylor series expansion of f of z equal to z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 about the point z equal to minus 1. That is, your expansion must contain terms like z plus 1. Now I am rearranging the given function f of z equal to, since we already have z plus 1 in the numerator, so no need to change this term, let it be like this itself. So 1 divided by z minus 1 can be altered by adding and subtracting 1. So z plus 1 minus 1 minus 1, which is nothing but z plus 1 minus 2. Always group this z plus 1, because we need the expansion in terms of z plus 1. Now in order to make use of the expansion 1 minus x raised to minus 1, so what we do is, we are taking minus 2 common in the denominator. So after taking minus 2 common, you get like this. Now bring this term to the numerator. Now you can observe, you can compare with this series, both are one and the same. In the place of x we have z plus 1 divided by 2. Now you can make use of this expansion and then expand this and then open the bracket. So you will contain a Taylor series expansion which has the terms z plus 1 in it. Now let us proceed with our Maclaurin series. You know the definition of Maclaurin series, a series expansion of this form which is expanded about the point z equal to 0 is called a Maclaurin series expansion of the function. Now write the Maclaurin series expansion of the function f of z equal to 1 by 1 minus z. So I have written the series expansion, I have written the function here. So what I am going to do is, I am going to rearrange this function in this form 1 minus z raised to minus 1, because differentiating this using product rule seems to be difficult. So what I am going to do is, I am going to use this power formula in order to differentiate the function. So I am going to rearrange this in this way, 1 minus z raised to minus 1, so that I can use this power formula for differentiation. Now since I have written f of z, I am going to compute the first term, which is f of 0. F of 0, after putting z as 0, you get 1. Similarly, find the derivatives and find the corresponding derivatives at the point z equal to 0. Now f dash of z is minus 1 into 1 minus z raised to minus 1 after using the power formula, power rule, and you have to differentiate 1 minus z again, which is minus 1. So after simplifying you get 1 minus z raised to minus 2. I have simultaneously found out f dash of 0 by putting z dash 0 in this function. So you get again 1. Now next we have to find the second derivative of f of z, which is f double dash of z. Differentiate this again. So after using the power rule, we get minus 2 into 1 minus z raised to minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3, into you have to differentiate 1 minus z again, which is minus 1. Now simplifying this, we get 2 into 1 minus z raised to minus 3. Now after substituting z dash 0 in this, you get f double dash of 0, which is 2. Now let me find the third derivative, f triple dash of z, that is differentiate the above function again. 2 into minus 3 into 1 minus z raised to minus 4, differentiate 1 minus z again, so you will get minus 1. So you after simplifying you get 6 into 1 minus z raised to minus 4. Now put z dash 0 in this function, so you get f triple dash of 0. Thus after finding all the derivatives at the point 0, I am going to substitute in this series. After substituting in this series, you will be left out with the Maclaurin series expansion of the function. Now this is the simplest method. Note that in your Taylor series expansion, there is another method for solving the function, that is, you can use the Maclaurin's method itself, find all the derivatives of that function and substitute the point. Here we are expanding about the point z equal to 2. So substitute z dash 2 in these functions and substitute in the Taylor series expansion. This is the Taylor series expansion after substituting z naught as 2 and then substituting the various values of f of 2, f dash of 2, we get this series. This series is same as the one we have obtained using another method.